Hi friends, we meet again. My pleasure to have you here to have fun in my happy kitchen today. When you want to drink soup on a hot day, you can make this refreshing tomato and cabbage soup. The cabbage soup is sweet, and a big bowl of it will really warm your stomach. Cabbage is rich in compounds such as indole substances, sulforaphane, and the oligosaccharide raffinose, which are all natural anti-cancer ingredients. Hurry up and save the recipes, and click to follow my channel because you will receive simple recipe videos I upload every day for free. If you are willing, please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support. Ingredients are cabbage, tomatoes, and chopped garlic. Cubes tomato. Cabbage cut into sections. Stir-fry chopped garlic. Fry tomato cubes until release red oil. Add cabbage. Pour 1 big bowl hot water. Simmer until release of flavor. Add 1 teaspoon salt and chicken powder to taste. Tomato cabbage soup is done. Nice tomatoes soup base. This soup is very refreshing and delicious. It is really filling with both vegetables and soup. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. YouTube, friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.